Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create and manage forms in Fareclock. The Forms feature in Fareclock allows administrator to create and manage digital forms to provide and collect important worker information, such as personal details, job data, certifications, or expense claims. This feature is available on the premium plan. Forms are saved and each field is entered, which is why location capture is an option for every field. A form can also be partially completed and resumed later before final submission, helping keep worker data organized and easy to access. To create a form, go to Manage and Forms. Click Add Form, enter the form name, then click Save. Once saved, you can configure its settings, such as display conditions like onboarding, start shift or end shift, and form limitations like entry limits per user. Next, you can add fields to your form. Fareclock offers various field types including text, number, select, rating, task, date and time, document scanner, file upload, location, description, yes or no, signature, audio, image, video, and formula. Each field can be customized with labels, descriptions, and options such as making it required or enabling location capture. Here are a few ways you can use forms. For onboarding, to collect new worker details. For job reporting, to track task updates. And for expense claims, to attach receipts and approval documents. On the Time Clock app, forms may appear automatically based on display conditions, such as during setup or when clocking in or out. Users can also access available forms under the Actions tab and view their submission history. You can attach forms to features like health and safety policies, shift classes, jobs, or scheduled events, ensuring data is collected where it's needed. From the console, administrators can submit entries, export data, or delete old forms anytime. Under the Forms page, the Submissions tab displays all individual responses, while the Summary tab gives you an overview for quick analysis. You can also track which forms are completed or still in progress. Thanks for watching this video. Visit support.fareclock.com for more help. Happy time tracking!